the 2020 Ford F-350. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced-air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.